Hello, my little friends. Welcome back to Funland Library. Are you ready to learn something exciting today? Today, we're going to learn about capital letters and small letters. By the end of this lesson, you know what capital letters are, what small letters are. So let's begin. What are letters? Before we start, let's remember something. English has 26 letters. But did you know every English letter has two forms? One is a capital letter. The other is a small letter. Let's see them. Look carefully. A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, E, F, F, G, G, H, H, I, J, J, K, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Fantastic! Now you know all the capital and small letters. Give yourself a big clap. Here's an easy trick. Think of a capital letter as a big brother and a small letter as the little brother. The capital letter is bigger. The small letter is smaller. You did an excellent job today. Now you know the difference between capital letters and small letters. Practice writing both every day. In our next lesson, we learn another exciting English topic together. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like the video and ask your parents to subscribe to Funland Library. See you next time. Bye-bye, little learners. Keep smiling and keep learning.